Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6310 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibrations on this device. Firstly, go into menu. Now you need to select settings. Service click and go into tone settings. After that, select vibrating alert, and to turn off vibrations completely, select off. If you want to turn on vibrations all the time, you need to select on. But you can also turn on only vibrations for incoming calls by going into vibration alert one more time and select vibrate, then ring. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!